Here's a bold statement. You don't need to say a single word to captivate any woman. Surprised? It's true. It's not about the smooth lines or witty remarks. It's about the way you carry yourself, the energy you emit, and how you present yourself. You can be a man of few words and still be the one she can't get out of her mind. Many men make the mistake of thinking their words are their strongest asset, but it's actually their presence that makes the real difference. Imagine if talking less could actually boost your appeal. Confidence, body language, and subtle signals can have a more profound effect than any pickup line. Women are incredibly intuitive. They can sense confidence, calmness, and authenticity. When you master the art of nonverbal communication, you can draw her attention effortlessly. Consider this. How often have you seen someone command respect and admiration without uttering a word? It's all about presence. Women are drawn to men who exude strength, self-assuredness, and a hint of mystery. They're looking for someone who doesn't need to fill every silence with words, but still leaves a lasting impression through their mere presence. In this video, I'll guide you on how to attract any woman without saying a single word. You'll learn how to use body language, presence, and subtle cues to catch her eye. It's time to move beyond words and let your actions speak for you. Let's dive into the secrets of making her notice you without uttering a sound. Confidence speaks louder than words. When it comes to attracting women without speaking, confidence is your greatest asset. But let's clarify. Confidence isn't about bragging or trying to impress others. It's about being at ease with who you are, understanding your value, and not seeking validation from others. Women are naturally drawn to men who radiate a calm and assured energy. This doesn't mean you have to be flawless or never experience doubt. It means you should embrace who you are and stand tall in your authenticity. Think back to those moments when someone walked into a room and captured everyone's attention without saying anything. That's the power of confidence. Women are attracted to men who display self-assuredness and a quiet strength. They want someone who doesn't need to constantly talk to make an impression, but can still leave a lasting impact just by being present. In this segment, we'll explore how to exude confidence through your body language, demeanor, and the subtle signals you send. You'll discover how to make a powerful impression without uttering a word. Let's get started on transforming your presence into an irresistible force of attraction. Mastering your body language. Body language is a silent yet powerful communicator. It can reveal your true feelings and intentions more clearly than words ever could. To attract a woman without speaking, you need to master the art of body language. This includes your posture, eye contact, facial expressions, and movements. Let's delve into each aspect to help you make a lasting impression. Posture. Stand tall with your shoulders back. Good posture exudes confidence and self-respect. It shows that you're comfortable in your own skin and ready to take on the world. Avoid slouching or crossing your arms, as these can signal insecurity or defensiveness. Eye contact. Eye contact is a crucial part of nonverbal communication. It shows that you're attentive and interested. When you make eye contact with a woman, do it with a warm and confident gaze. Avoid staring, which can be intimidating, but don't be afraid to hold her gaze a little longer than usual to create a connection. Facial expressions. Your facial expressions should reflect positivity and openness. A genuine smile can work wonders. It shows that you're approachable and friendly. However, don't force it. Authenticity is key. Practice in front of a mirror if necessary to ensure your smile looks natural. Movements. Your movements should be purposeful and controlled. Avoid fidgeting or making abrupt gestures, as these can indicate nervousness. Instead, move with a calm and relaxed demeanor. Subtle gestures, like a slight nod or a slow hand movement, can convey confidence and composure. The power of presence. Presence is an intangible quality that makes people feel noticed and valued. It's about being fully engaged in the moment and giving your undivided attention to those around you. Women appreciate men who are present and attentive. Here's how you can develop a strong presence without saying a word. Mindfulness practice. Mindfulness to stay in the present moment. This involves being aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. When you're with a woman, focus entirely on her. Listen with your eyes and body, not just your ears. Show that you're genuinely interested in her energy. Your energy speaks volumes. It's the vibe you give off and the way you make others feel. Cultivate a positive and calm energy. Women are drawn to men who make them feel safe and comfortable. This doesn't mean you have to be overly enthusiastic. A calm and steady energy can be just as attractive. Space. Respecting personal space is crucial. Understand the balance between being too close and too distant. Pay attention to her body language to gauge her comfort level. If she leans in or moves closer, it's a good sign. If she steps back or seems uncomfortable, give her more space. Subtle signals of attraction. Attracting a woman without speaking involves sending subtle signals that pique her interest. These signals can be as simple as a glance or a slight touch. Here's how to master the art of subtle attraction. The glance. A well-timed glance can be incredibly powerful. Catch her eye from across the room and hold her gaze for a moment before looking away. This shows that you've noticed her and are interested. Repeat this a few times to build anticipation. Mirroring. Mirroring is a psychological technique where you subtly mimic the other person's body language. It creates a sense of connection and rapport. If she crosses her legs, you can do the same. If she takes a sip of her drink, follow suit. Be subtle and natural to avoid coming off as obvious. Proximity. Gradually move closer to her to signal your interest. Start by standing or sitting nearby and slowly decrease the distance. Pay attention to her response. If she seems comfortable and doesn't move away, it's a positive sign. If she steps back, give her more space. Touch light. Casual touches can convey attraction without words. A gentle touch on the arm or shoulder during a conversation can create a connection. Be mindful of her comfort level and avoid being too forward. If she responds positively, you can continue with light, respectful touches. The art of listening. Listening is a crucial skill in attracting women. It shows that you value her thoughts and feelings. Here's how to become an active listener without saying a word. Nonverbal listening cues. Use nonverbal cues to show that you're listening. Nodding, maintaining eye contact, and leaning slightly forward are all signals that you're engaged in the conversation. These cues demonstrate that you're interested and attentive. Reflective listening. Reflective listening involves mirroring the speaker's emotions and expressions. If she's excited, reflect that excitement with your expressions. If she's sharing something serious, show empathy through your facial expressions and body language. This creates a sense of understanding and connection. Avoid interruptions. Let her speak without interrupting. Even though you're not talking, your nonverbal cues should encourage her to continue. Avoid looking around the room or checking your phone, as these actions can signal disinterest. Attracting a woman without saying a word is about mastering the art of nonverbal communication. It's about exuding confidence, using body language effectively, and being fully present. By sending subtle signals and showing genuine interest, you can captivate her attention and make a lasting impression. Remember, words can be powerful, but your presence and actions often speak louder. Practice these techniques and watch how they transform your interactions. You'll find that sometimes silence truly is golden. In this video, we've explored the secrets to attracting any woman without uttering a word. From mastering body language to sending subtle signals, you now have the tools to make a powerful impression. So go ahead, step into the room with confidence, and let your presence do the talking.